In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default zoom level in Google Sheets, and this can be applied to other Google applications as well. Have you ever opened a Google Sheet and found the zoom level isn't quite how you like it? Perhaps it's too small or too large, making it difficult to see the data as you prefer. Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to walk through how to set a default zoom level, so it's always exactly right for your eyes. First things first, let's open up Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive or directly opening Google Sheets from sheets.google.com. Once you're in Google Sheets, you'll want to either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one that you're currently working on. Now that you have your sheet open, look towards the upper menu and find the option labeled View. Click View and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, locate the Zoom option. When you hover over Zoom, you'll see a list of different percentages ranging from 50% to 200%. These percentages dictate how large or small your spreadsheet appears on the screen. Choose the one that suits you best. For instance, if your data is dense and you want to see more information at a glance, a smaller zoom percentage might be preferable. Conversely, if you find yourself squinting at your screen, a larger percentage might be the better choice. It's important to note that Google Sheets doesn't have a built-in feature to set the default zoom level permanently for all sheets. However, you can use your browser's zoom functionality to adjust the zoom level for your entire browser window, which will affect how Google Sheets appear. To do this in most browsers, simply hold down the Control key, or CMD on a Mac, and press the plus key to increase zoom or the Shift key to decrease it. This method changes the view for all web pages, including any Google Sheets you open, which effectively sets a pseudo-default zoom level across your experience. For additional control and a more permanent solution, consider installing a browser extension. Extensions such as Zoom for Google Chrome can help you maintain a consistent zoom level across all tabs and windows, including Google Sheets. By configuring these extensions, you can automate your preferred viewing experience every time you open a new sheet, and there you have it. Whether through adjusting Google Sheets directly, employing your browser's zoom features, or using a handy extension, you're now equipped with the knowledge to see your spreadsheets just the way you like them. With practice, setting and adjusting the zoom level will become second nature, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more useful tips. See you next time.